Wyllie, the Game Changer here. I want to welcome you to my upcoming Intro to NLP and Cognitive Psychology seminar, where I teach you how to use mental activity to rewire your brain and to change your behavior, to get rid of problems like anxiety, fears, bad memories, change beliefs, and to optimize your focus, memory, and learning. And you're going to learn the skills and science to change those stubborn habits. Now, my background degrees are neuroscience and psychology, and I personally apprenticed with the co-creator of NLP, Dr. Richard Bandler. And I've worked with thousands of clients, clinically, privately, and in group and seminar situations. And the Game Changer seminars really are one of a kind. And in the seminars, I personally demonstrate all the techniques firsthand. I explicitly teach you the formulas to perform the techniques, and then I give you a chance to practice and master these skills with the other participants, so that you leave not only with a theoretical understanding of how the brain works, but also the practical skills to change your own brain and behavior. And you see, our mind is how we operate our neurology. Our mental activity is how we can control how our brain fires and therefore wires. And our mental activity has a profound effect on how we feel. So you ready to learn how your brain and mind work? Well, join me for the Intro to NLP and Cognitive Psychology seminar, and let's make this the year that you build your best brain ever.